a third. This one goes to the contestant who bid $1,000. It's Howard of the United States Marine. Howard has $100. Bonus, right over here, Howard. If this keeps up, I'm going to have to take this $1,000 bill out and cash it for $100 bills. There you are, Howard. Now, behind the doors we have, open them up, please, safe crackers. Diane, swing that safe open and show Howard the two prizes that he can win, please.
First, a new Jeep. A new CJ Jeep from American Motors. This exciting, dependable vehicle is equipped with 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, roll bar, and all the other standard equipment, plus AM radio, black soft top, and California emissions, and a cordless phone and answering machine. From MCE Quality Electronic Products, a Speakeasy Supreme cordless phone with memory dialing and a dual cassette answering machine with beeperless remote and call screening from MCE. It's a prize package worth $8,920.
Diane, lock that safe. Lock that safe. Now, the combination of that safe is the same as the price of the second prize. It was a cordless phone. And how did you describe it, John, the whole deal there?
I'll tell you, Bob.
Don't chuckle at me, John. Just answer my question.
Bob, it's a Speakeasy Supreme cordless phone with a memory dialing and a dual cassette answering machine with beeperless remote and call screening.
Yes, all that. The price of all that stuff together is the same as the combination of the safe. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you step over here to me, and I'll show you the numbers and the price of all that stuff together. There is a 2, a 3, and a 0. You set the first dial on the first number in the price, the second on the second, and the third on the third. That'll be the combination of the safe, and you'll win the answering machine, the telephone, and the Jeep, and everything in the safe. 300 what? $320, all right? Now, turn that wheel, Howard. Turn that wheel, and pull on that handle. Is he a winner? Yes! You got that Jeep! He got that Jeep! He got the cordless telephone! Yes! Congratulations! Yes! I'll tell you what, Howard, where are you stationed down in San Diego?
Yes, sir. For 3 months, I'm going to Hawaii for 3 years.
Well, you can jump in that Jeep now, take your cordless phone, and when the commanding officer calls, you can say, "Don't bother me, I'm in Mexico." Right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. We have another pricing game all ready to go, and it will go after this.